Hi, I'm Matt Brannon. I am the College and Career Readiness Coach at Daviess County High School. This is my first year in this role, and it's been an exciting year for me to learn the process of dual credit and just helping students out trying to find their path. That's one of the most exciting things about this job, is to be able to connect with students about what they want to do in the future, whether it's general dual credit that we offer here through Owensboro Community and Technical College, getting themselves ready for a 4-year degree, or if it's dipping into the technical world, taking classes like auto, diesel, welding, just so many opportunities that are out there for those students, and for me, learning those opportunities and what they are and how to guide them. Also, I'm a parent of a junior that's in the program as well, and so I can see the benefits that it has, both financially and getting them ready for the future, kind of having that freedom to come and go from the high school to the college, and to just see everything that it provides. So it's been a great experience. Also 20 years in the classroom from the elective side. One of the things that I love about dual credit program is the rigor that it provides for the upperclassmen that may not have the ability to take an elective class that will challenge them in their junior and especially in their senior year. I know, as a PE teacher and a PE major, I spent a lot of time in the gym my senior year and not sure that I challenged myself academically, and I just love having those options of taking really meaningful classes as they prepare themselves going into their freshman year of college. So a lot of great opportunities, and I'm really excited to be part of dual credit.
Hi, I'm Kelly Spall. I am the College and Career Readiness Coach at Apollo High School. I work very closely with our Daviess County High School partnership and the Daviess County Public Schools and Owensboro Community and Technical College. I help oversee all the students at Apollo High School that are taking dual credit, whether that's in our building as concurrent courses or through the community college. My favorite thing about dual credit is just allowing these students the opportunity to experience a college class prior to entering a full course load as a full-time college student. It gives them the confidence that they can and will be successful in a college course, and it will encourage them to continue in order to finish out a degree program.
Hi, my name is Amanda Jerome, and I am the Daviess County Public Schools College and Career Readiness Coordinator. I oversee all the dual credit programs in Daviess County Schools and work with Coach Brannon and Ms. Spall at Apollo and Daviess County High Schools to provide these opportunities to more than 1,200 students in our district. We have academy programs through a program that we call EmpowerU that I oversee. We have an engineering academy, life science academy, early college academy, agriculture academy, and then we offer a lot of general and technical dual credit to students in our school system through Owensboro Community and Technical College. They're our biggest provider of dual credit, and couldn't have this amazing partnership without their support, for sure. I have been in my role now for 10 years. And before that, I was a guidance counselor at Apollo High School and had worked with dual credit students in that capacity as well. I love dual credit, and I hope that that shows on my face when I talk to families. We're right at the start of our recruitment season. We do a lot of recruitment nights and information sessions for parents and students to really understand the process of dual credit and all the opportunities that we have in our district. We offer some of our opportunities as early as 9th grade, so we're talking to 8th grade families here at the beginning of February about these opportunities, and that was kind of one of my passions when I came into this role, is I really wanted families to understand the process and know what was available to their student, because I wanted them to have those options and be able to think through what the options were for their child. I too am a parent of dual credit students. I have a daughter that's a freshman at the University of Kentucky, and she was able to go in as her freshman year as an actual sophomore due to dual credit credit, but she was also able to do that dual credit in the building and at OCTC and online, but still have that full high school experience. She was very active at her high school and graduated as one of the top students in her class, so very proud of that. And then I have another daughter that's currently a junior in high school that takes online dual credit because that works with her schedule better. She's a cheerleader and is always cheering at a basketball game or a football game, so that just works better for her schedule, but she has seen the value of dual credit because of our other daughter and her being so successful with that process. She wants that same for herself. So really proud of dual credit. I love it. I was a first generation college student myself, so just have a real passion for helping families. I really want to change kids' lives, and I know that we have through our program.